In this video, we will be covering uploading inbound voicemail messages and assigning your recordings to a call route. Starting from your dashboard, navigate to Settings in the top gradient navigation bar, then click the Phone Settings dropdown to find the Inbound Voicemail Recordings settings page. Inbound voicemail recordings are the voicemail greetings that customers will hear when you miss a call. Clients will have the opportunity to leave you a message reassuring the caller that they've contacted the correct number or reached the person they intended to help. This helps reduce the number of hangups and wasted messages that you will receive. Simply click and drag your audio file into the Upload section or choose a file from your device to upload. It's important to note that this feature only supports the MP3 format with bit rates of 320 kilobytes per second or lower. Higher bit rates won't play back properly. You can also upload your voicemail message in your user profile by clicking your picture in the top right and selecting Phone Settings. To add a new recording to your inbound call route, select the Inbound Call Route settings page and open the route that you would like. Under the No Answer section, you'll find the voicemail dropdown with your recordings to assign to this route. Once finished, click Save at the bottom to save your changes. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our dedicated support team by emailing support@setshape.com.